Okay, this is a 2004 Chevrolet Suburban. It's like the Tahoes and the Yukons. This rear tail light, brake light lens over the liftgate there give a lot of trouble, and they're kind of in a bad spot. They catch a lot of weather and leaves and everything, so it's not an easy thing to figure out how to get them out of there, so but there is a little trick to it. So let's just take a look at it. We're going to take these two screws out first, and I've already got them loosened. So you just lift up this, open your tailgate all the way and lift up this and screw these two screws out. I've already got them part way out there. And then we'll unplug the little wire connector there. You don't unplug the connector, but you pull the little seal off right there. Let's see if we can get that out of there. So there's your two screws right there. Lay them somewhere where they won't get lost. Now pull this down, and the trick that I found is shift this light all the way to the left, because you'll be fooling with this, and I fooled with it for a while. Now this is already pulled loose, so shift it all the way to the right, and then this rubber part right here will pop from around there. Now look at all these leaves up in there, so you need to at least do this to clean the leaves out and maybe figure out why your light's not working. So I'm planning on replacing this brake light with a new kind of brake light. So you just unslip that right there. There's your wires for positive and negative, and getting into that to change the bulb out will be a whole new video. I don't know if it's sealed. Some of these things are sealed up. But I just want to show how to get that out of there. And there's a good chance that I'm going to leave this out. We'll see what it looks like. Now there's your two screws right there, screw holes right there. I'm going to see what this looks like without it, and then I'm going to try to see if I can come up with a mount for a tail light that will mount right up in, let's see, I want to try to mount it right up there on the glass is where I'm going to try to mount it, right up in here on the glass. Okay, and I'm looking at possibly a light like this one. See if you can see that one. And it might mount right there on the glass. Anyway, I just wanted to show how to get that off of there. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you will, and check back on more Chevrolet truck repairs, and I also do Honda Odyssey repairs quite a bit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.